Are you ever in a situation where you need two layers to share the exact position, scale, and rotation values within a parent-child relationship? I need this text layer to follow and share the shape layer's movement. I can always pickwhip the text layer to the shape layer, but I'll have to manually adjust the child's transform properties. A quicker way to do this is to hold down Shift while pickwhipping. Not only will the text layer become the child, which means it will now move with the parent, but it will also be given the parent's exact position, scale, and rotation values. Let's undo and adjust the parent's scale and rotation to see this in action. Now shift and pickwhip the text layer to the shape layer to see the result. The only caveat for this trick to work is that both the parent and child must have centered anchor points. And this works for any type of layer: image, video, text, shape, null, adjustment, and so on. So the next time you need two layers to share the exact position, scale, and rotation values in a parent-child relationship, hold down Shift while pickwhipping. Just make sure all anchor points are centered.